This is a demonstration of the DJI Flip Follow Me mode capabilities. As you can see, I'm not going very fast, but the drone is actually able to keep up with me very well. It pauses when I pause and just keeps on following. I think it does very well considering all the obstacles that there are around it. As you can see, it manages to get around that one. Manages to find its way around some of these smaller obstacles. I thought for sure I was going to lose it there, but it stayed right with me. It does really good getting around these obstacles with the front-facing obstacle avoidance that it has. It does not have the ability to go around per se, like the DJI 4K Mini Pro. But when you consider all the obstacles it's managing to get around here, it's doing pretty well. And kind of going off the trail just a little bit to try and make sure it has a better path to follow me around that tree. Getting through these trees very well. You can see me checking to make sure it makes it through, but it really didn't have any problem with some of those obstacles. Now this is where I think I actually, nope, it makes it around that one. A little bit further here. I do actually lose it eventually. You can see it's kind of struggling. It has to pause to check out all these obstacles, but it manages to go around most of them. This one, because I think I turned that direction, it kept trying to follow me, and this is where I actually lose it. No. Okay, this was the one, I think. So it kind of gets caught up in that tree there. It's not actually hitting the tree. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It stops and it's just hovering there. And it took me a while to realize that I'd lost it. And because it sat there for so long, I think it it hovered as best as it could. But I think as soon as it sees me again, it kind of tries to re engage with me, and that's when it actually bites it. Like I'm walking around the corner and then boom, that was it. This is a quick demonstration of the circle mode. I just thought I'd throw on the end of this video. Nice and smooth, looking good. Thank you for watching. Watch this video for the GoPro footage of this whole trip. Thank you.